Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you sick? Are you sick? Call the police. Call the police. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Do you have anything to say about it? Do you have anything to say about it? Get out of here. Get out of here. Give me a cup of tea. Give me a cup of tea. Give me a glass of water. Give me a glass of water. He is not at home. He is not at home. He looks like you. He looks like you. I'd like to buy a pizza. I'd like to buy a pizza. I'd like to make a call. I'd like to make a call. I'd like to make a reservation. I'd like to make a reservation. I'd like to rent a car. I'd like to rent a car. I'd like to talk to him. I'd like to talk to him. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. I'll drop you off at the station. I'll drop you off at the station. I'll pay for lunch. I'll pay for lunch. I'll take this one. I'll take this one. I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to you later. I'm coming to pick you up. I'm coming to pick you up. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. I'm going to eat breakfast. I'm going to eat breakfast. I am coming right now. I am coming right now. I am extremely sorry. I am extremely sorry. I am innocent. I am innocent. I am not mad. I am not mad. I am trying to convince him. I am trying to convince him. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. I can't do it. I can't do it. I don't have money. I don't have money. I don't have time. I don't have time. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. I know how to do it. I know how to do it. I need some money. I need some money. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. It was not my fault. It was not my fault. I understand everything. I understand everything. I want to go to the store. I want to go to the store. Please let me go. Please let me go. Please let me know. Please let me know. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Wait a little bit. Wait a little bit. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Where is the airport? Where is the airport? Where is the ATM? Where is the ATM? Where is the railway station? Where is the railway station? Why are you angry with me? Why are you angry with me? You have completely changed. You have completely changed.